Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of your Polyglot Academy. Today it's lesson 40 and we're going to talk about the genitive case, so let's start. Now, what is the genitive case? The genitive case in German shows possession or a relationship between two nouns, often translated into English as of or with an apostrophe, and it mostly responds to the question woes. Let's consider an example. Das Buch des Lehrers liegt auf dem Tisch. First we have das Buch, which means the book, and it's a subject, and it's in the nominative case. And we have des Lehrers, which means of the teacher, and it's the genitive case showing possession. And we have liegt, which means lies or is, and it's a verb describing the action. And finally, we have auf dem Tisch, which means on the table, and it's the prepositional phrase indicating the location. Let's consider more carefully the sentence. Des Lehrers is in this case the genitive case. Des is the genitive article for masculine and neuter singular nouns, changing from der in nominative to des in genitive. And then we have Lehrers, and it shows the genitive case by adding the suffix s to the noun Lehrer. So we do not have Lehrer anymore, but Lehrers. And because of that, you can see that we have a possession in this case. We can see that this book belongs to the teacher, hence it's the teacher's book and it's on the table, and with the genitive case we're able to show this possession. Now in German we also have to consider the fact that sometimes we do not want to use the genitive case, and we do not have to write necessarily das Buch des Lehrers, but we can rewrite it as das Buch von dem Lehrer. In this case, we do not have a genitive construction anymore, but we are expressing this possession by using the preposition von, followed by the dative case to indicate this ownership or relationship. So instead of saying das Buch des Lehrers, we're saying das Buch von dem Lehrer. So we're not using a genitive construction, but the dative one. Nevertheless, the meaning stays the same, so it's not important what you use. Now let's consider another example. Das ist Valerie's Zimmer, which means this is Valerie's room. And in this case, we do not have a noun, so we do not know how to decline from a nominative to a genitive or from an accusative to a genitive and so on. But in order to show a possession, so in order to show that this is Valerie's room, we're simply adding an s, the suffix x, to the noun Valerie. So we are indicating this possession, and we always do it for direct nouns, for person nouns. Now another way to write it would be das ist das Zimmer von Valerie, and the meaning is the same, this is Valerie's room. But by doing this, we're showing a possession without using a genitive construction. We're using a dative one, so it's basically the same. Now, in this table, from this table, you're able to see the different declinations of the genitive case. So depending on which article we have, depending whether it's masculine, feminine, neuter, plural, we have different cases. Der Vater would become des Vaters, ein Vater becomes eines Vaters, die Mutter becomes der Mutter, eine Mutter becomes einer Mutter, das Kind becomes des Kindes, ein Kind becomes eines Kindes, die Eltern as a plural becomes der Eltern, and we do not have an indeterminate plural article, so that was it. Now, in order to conclude this lesson successfully, here are some exercises. Try to insert the article and the noun in the genitive case, and please pay attention to the endings and to the different cases, because you might not have always a noun. Sometimes you have a direct noun without an article, and please pay attention to that. And other than that, thanks for your attention, and if you have any questions on the topic, just write a comment, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.